Let's follow me how to make text effect like this. First, prepare the background. Lock layer 1, add new layer, and hide temporarily. Add a text. Set align center. Right-click and create outlines. Press D and slash. Copy this. Selection, Object, Path, Offset Path. Selection, Pathfinder, click Unite. Fill color and change stroke to none. Copy this. Change color. Click and Ctrl C. Selection, Object, Blend option. Set like this. Back to Object, Blend, and Make. Go to Edit, and paste in front. Fill gradient color. Selection this, right-click, Arrange, Bring to front. Change stroke to white. Go to Effect, Stylize, and drop shadow. Set like this. Combine the text. Unhide layer 1. Finish. Subscribe for more update.